What's up, everybody? Sensei Vegan here. A quick video. So I had put up the last one about the base cabinet that I received from Seismic, the MB210. Excellent cabinet. And earlier today I received, and again guys, don't worry about if you can't see my head. The main focus is what's in this box over here, okay? So the other piece came today. Highly excited. I got my package from Sweetwater. And I just want to say, with this video, I'm not sponsored. I'm not getting any kickbacks from Sweetwater, but Sweetwater, thank you. Thank you so much. Excellent customer service. Couldn't be happier. And the cool thing about Sweetwater, I actually ordered this online, right? I've been waiting around. They finally got it in stock. So I placed the order. Don't you know, customer service actually gave me a call to ask me, you know, how my ordering went and how things were going, and they could find out a little more about me to, you know, in case I need anything else down the road musically. So, you know, they wanted to help me with my musical needs. So that was pretty awesome. So thank you so much. And I believe the gentleman's name was Evan. So Evan, thank you so much. So here we go. This is the TC Electronic BQ500 amp head. So we're gonna open this up now. And I got it from Sweetwater. I got overnight shipping on this thing because I've been waiting for this bad boy. So here we go. I'm just going to ease my way back into playing. I'm not going to drive myself crazy. And I think what I've learned over the years, just being a bass player, is that be yourself. Don't compare yourself with anyone else. Create your own style, be you on them strings. And it's great to learn from people, but don't compare yourself with other people, because what's going to happen is, you know, you might get disappointed, you know what I mean, because you can't do a certain thing. Create your own thing, be your own person, you know. Look at this. If you guys can see that. Look. They actually give you some candy in there. Look at that. That's customer service right there. Our sweet way of saying thank you, Sweetwater. Sweetwater.com. All right, so this is cool. We'll set that aside. And let's see what else came in here. Another thank you. Hopefully you guys can see all this stuff. I hope that you can, you know. So we're gonna set all this stuff aside. See what else we got. Pro Gear. I love the catalogs. I love flipping through this type of stuff. Wow, look at this. A nice thick Pro Gear catalog from Sweetwater. Everything you need. Hope you guys can see that. And it was packed up. Really, really good. Sorry, I keep stepping out of frame. So let's just get this thing out of the box. All right. And I'm just going to toss this box over there. And here it is. The THRUST BQ500 by TC Electronic. And I'm excited. So let's just pull this out of the box. If I can figure out how to open it, bear with me here. But I don't want to destroy the box. I like keeping the original packaging. I've always been that way. I try to keep everything. Okay. And this is the quick start guide. Just gonna take and clap that, set it aside. And as you can see, the amp is definitely packed well. We got the power cord right here. This wow, this is very light. See if I can flash some specs up on the screen for y'all while I take care of this packaging here. And my lighting is not the best, so I apologize for that. I just want to double check to make sure the camera's still rolling. Okay, so here you go. TC Electronic THRUST BQ500. Excellent. It's not heavy at all. This thing weighs probably about 5 pounds to 6 pounds, if that. Very, very light. You can throw this thing in your gig bag. It has the direct out right here, speak on cable, and highly excited. There is a knock at the door, so I don't know who that is. I'm not even answering the door. I'm not expecting any company. So anyway, let's get back to the video. So this is it, guys. Ladies, gentlemen, kids. The TC Electronic BQ500, THRUST 500, excuse me. And I'm really excited. I keep saying it. Dude, I've been waiting this for a long time. But if you guys can see this, you just have the gain, you have the thrust, bass, low mid, high mid, treble, and master. I don't want a lot of stuff disguising my sound. You know, I don't play with a lot of pedals. I usually use one pedal, and it was a zoom pedal, and that's normally what I use, and I don't use a whole lot of effects. But that is it. And as you guys can see, it looks really good on top of the amp. Look at that. Looks phenomenal. I'm gonna try to zoom in. I'm ready to go. I got my speak on cables. I got these from Seismic Audio. Again, Seismic, thank you so much. Again, I am not sponsored by Seismic Audio or TC Electronic or Sweetwater, but you know what? When service is great, you got to give people credit where credit is deserved. So again, I got my speak-on cable so I can daisy chain my cabinets together and get this amp all hooked up. So again, thank you so much for joining me. If you like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. The next video will definitely be a sound test, okay? I said that last time, but the next one's gonna be a sound test. I just wanna fill this thing out a little bit, give you guys the tones and all that good stuff. But thank you so much for joining me. Sensei's about to slap the fangs out of them strings, okay? Anyway, hello, good night.